To show you 2004 Freestar. Ford Freestar's strongest suit is safety. Freestar earned 5 stars in the government's front impact crash testing and was named Best Pick by the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety following rigorous crash testing for the insurance industry. This vehicle has less than 145,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: passenger airbag, power steering, automatic transmission, front wheel drive, cruise control, compass, power door locks, power windows, trip computer, tachometer. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.